Hello dear friends, you have come to the channel where amazing trades and other crazy things happen in the world of trading. My name is James and I'm a professional trader with more than 5 years of experience in trading. And in today's video I will make trades with the help of which you and I, dear friends, will accelerate our balance, and as a real gentleman, your friend in business will share these strategies with you, conducting them on a not unknown exchange called QUOTEX. This is a wonderful exchange with high functionality and excellent reputation. By the way, the link in the description below this video. And also on my private Telegram channel for the real VIPs, where I share very important insider information and just news in the world of trading. So let's get started, guys. But before we start, don't forget to click like, subscribe to the channel, write any comment, because this is how our channel is promoted on the YouTube platform. And it is you who can help us to advance in the system. So let's hit the notification bell and subscribe button also. So let's get started. Dear friends, let's start multiplying our balance. I will work with this currency pair, namely the Australian dollar to the Canadian dollar, because I found it quite remarkable and it has a very high chance of making some money. Give me a few seconds for a quick look. Okay, in general, look my dear friends, what I notice here. There is a level which used to be a resistance, which we successfully broke through, then the price went further, made a retest to the support level. That is, our level became a mirror level, then we bounced from our retest and hit some density, and as we can see, we ran out of buying activity, sellers started to dominate and there was a sharp descent, and we stood near this zone, the support zone, and we immediately broke it, which we observed and immediately went to retest this zone. But as a resistance zone, that is, I expect that this resistance zone will make a retest and we will go further down. Okay, for example, I saw funny news today, and let me tell you, my dear friends, forex traders have compared to the currency market to a casino. Over the past few trading sessions, investors have seen the British pound fall to historic lows. Japanese currency intervention to support the falling yen, and the euro fall deeper below dollar parity. It really does feel like a casino right now, commented to John Doyle, Vice President of Dealing and Trading at Monex USA. We've had to be extra vigilant about our internal trading policies to make sure we're not taking any undue risks. Discipline has been a key factor. The market is the market. What else is there to say it is ruled by people? By the way, our deal has come to an end and we have made a solid profit, but we're not going to stop there, are we? Of course not, so let's go to the next deal. To make it more useful and interesting for you to watch, I will change the currency pair to see as many unique situations in the market as possible. As we remember, the market is alive in every part of it. Maybe now I'm missing the moment on which I could have made incredible money. However, there is nothing to regret about what it didn't happen. We're not omnipotent. I chose the currency pair euro to dollar. Now I will look at it more closely and tell you all the pitfalls. Okay, I think a picture is starting to emerge. Look, dear friends, what I mean is we have a good support level which we're constantly bouncing off, and we have a sloping resistance level which we're also bouncing off, but the sloping resistance level is inherently weaker. For example, at these points we have densities which are easier to break through. I also noticed a local resistance level, a mirror support and resistance level that will go down and bounce to, then break down and then bounce up again with a breakout. As you can see after the analysis, I have no choice but to enter this trade 100% down. Let's see what happens, and while I'm waiting, let me tell you some more entertaining news. Here's another one that caught my eye. Meta's stock fell despite a strong quarterly report. Although the company managed to beat Wall Street's revenue and earnings forecasts, the market may have taken a negative view of the warning about the decline in advertising revenue during the conference call. Last quarter, the company's profit more than doubled from the same quarter a year ago to $19.5 billion. And on a per share basis, earnings came in at $4.39. Revenue rose 23% to 34.5 billion dollars. So $33.5 billion. Sorry for that. And earnings per share 3.63, according to LSEG. Meta's operating margin doubled to 40% in the third quarter. At first, the market reacted positively to the report, shares jumped, but the securities lost all the growth and went down during the conference call on the result of the support rights barons. The trigger for this probably was the warning of the company's CFO Susan Lee about the decline in advertising revenue. Thus, the top manager noted some decline in demand for online advertising in the fourth quarter. Lee cited world events, including the conflict in the Middle East, as one possible reason for this. Funny how even such titans are susceptible to the influence of our sometimes chaotic marketplace. The deal has come to an end, and we got a nice plus to our balance sheet. So let's do another deal. Let's not stop, shall we? Dear friends, I chose this pair, New Zealand dollar to Canadian dollar. Why? I will tell you everything. I can see from here that we have a local uptrend. Both low and high are updated. That is, all our lows, they are updated and become higher than before, as you can see. So as the high here, here, and here. Now we touched our boundary, we may be going down now. As we can see, we had a nice upward movement and we hit density and we started to have a little bit of a sideways movement back and forth. So I'm expecting either a sideways move like this, where we are going to stall out and come out further up. And that's why I'm going to enter this trade on the downside. I haven't seen any more interesting news, so let's just scroll through the remaining trades, although of course I would like to talk to you, dear friends, to tell you about my business, to motivate you to become better, smarter, faster, but you're business people and I understand it very well, so I will not waste your precious time more than necessary, so let's wait for the end of the trade and review the conclusions. And now the trade has ended! We see a plus of exactly $678. It's a beautiful day, I tell you that. Let's do a couple more of this and finish out run up. There is nothing to torment fate. Sooner or later it will come for its own. So, euro to yuan. One more currency pair for your interest and to maintain my years of experience, which I'm happy to share with you. While I was looking for a suitable coin, I already had time to analyze it. Let me tell you briefly how things are going here. We have a sloping resistance line, which later became a support level after it was broken at this moment when the price chart stood on it, and the line became a support level after that. Here was another consolidation and the subsequent impulse broke through even higher, and we will go down to the sloping level, then bounce again and go up again. The RSI is at about 50%, which is very good for us. And as we can see, the environment is favorable to put all 100% on the upside. So let's see if I'm right or not, dear friends. I can already say from here that the deal will go through, but in order not to waste your time too much, I will speed up this moment so that you don't waste your business time to nowhere. And so our transaction brought us a profit of $1,296. So today is definitely a great day. So let's make one more trade and summarize whether we made money or not. So the final trade, I have chosen this dollar into Indian rupee pair. Now I will review it with you and see if it's any good or not. Okay, so it's a great graph. As we can see here, we have a horizontal resistance level which we approached twice, but we couldn't break it. And our lows are updated every time, getting lower and lower. That is, we don't have a strong buyer who would hold the price at one point. For example, we had pressure here, but without a buyer, we didn't break through it. So it makes no sense to consider that we will break this level because we have a global downward movement. RSI is in an oversold position, so it is possible some kind of rebound and further downward movement. And that is why you and I, dear friends, will take risks, because the market is risks and you never know when it will turn its back to you. With all our savings for 100%, that the chart will go down. So let's go find out what's going on to happen here. Hopefully we will get lucky today, and I will show you how to grow your balance properly and not pour your savings down the drain. So let's take a look at our efforts together. Okay. Yes, we did it, dear friends. Today in this video we went from $100 and ended up increasing our capital to $2,000, 462. This is the amazing world of trading before your eyes, dear friends. And at this point, dear friends, I have to end our video. As you see, we managed to achieve our goals, and as a true businessman, we have increased our balance by a couple more amazing zeros. So don't forget to like, subscribe, click on the bell to get all the notification about new videos as soon as they come online. And also do not forget about Telegram channel for real VIPs, that is for you, of course. In it you will find a lot of important information for successful transactions and good mood. With you was your best friend, James. So guys, I wish you only successful trading sessions, and bye!